I started working outside of college in a different industry where quality was less important. But here in pharmaceuticals, the products we make are so important to the lives of people. Our product goes out the door to our customers on time, it gets to them when they need it, and it's going to be of the absolute highest quality. This is a very highly regulated industry, and when you dig into what those regulations are, it's all for the purpose of making sure that the highest quality product is created. Every decision we make here in the manufacturing areas, we make it with the patient safety in mind. I'm 8 months pregnant, so it's my first child, and so in the next couple months and over the coming years, I'm going to be making a lot of decisions, of course, as a new parent, and whether, to vaccinate my children with the vaccines that Merck makes, I absolutely have no doubt. I think the closer I am to it and the more I understand about the people that work on these vaccines and the processes we have, I have so much confidence in the quality of our vaccines that I will not hesitate to give my child these vaccines. And I'm honestly very excited and proud to be part of creating those vaccines that my child will eventually get and prevent her from having to deal with these challenging diseases. Every single step we take in the manufacturing process is with our patients in mind. We work to ensure they receive the highest quality medicines and vaccines we can.